Hello lovely mom, I am Stephanie, and in today's video we are going to do some more fall deep cleaning. I have been liking taking my time doing each part of my house for deep cleaning, so let's consider this task all joy. First, I want to start with all of the stuff that I need to wipe down. So any furniture in the living room, such as your TV console, any desks, any type of lamps and windows, I want to make sure I tackle all of that first, so that way all of the dust that comes out of these areas, I can quickly pick all that up by using my vacuum later on as I deep clean. I'm also making sure to give my windows a little extra attention because this is an area that gets neglected the most because they are hidden behind the blinds and a lot of dust tends to collect there. So I'm making sure to give the corners of my window space a little extra attention. I'm also going to be using some Home Defense bug killer. I know this is probably chemically for people, but this stuff works. And for the fall time and winter time, bugs tend to want to come through the windows, through all the cracks and stuff, and come into the warm. So I'm just taking precaution and putting that around the windows and all of the cracks around the home as I am deep cleaning, because I do not want any unwelcome guests in my home. Now it's time to dust off the ceiling fan. So to avoid having so much dust come off, I put a trash bag on my floor so that way it catches any large dust bunnies that would be coming off from the ceiling fan. Now it's time to remove all of the large furniture pieces in the living room, such as any couches, end tables, TV consoles, and armchairs, and that way it allows you to pick up any of the toys that maybe have been forgotten underneath there, and it just allows for extra cleaning. For places that brooms and vacuuming becomes hard to reach because you're not moving those furniture pieces on a weekly basis. So I'm hoping that I am not the only mom who has a couch like this. It is stains galore on this couch, and one way to remove them is using this awesome carpet cleaner from the Dollar Tree. It's meant for carpets, rugs, and upholstery. I've actually used this in my car seats in my van and it worked amazing. It took the stains right off. So once I sprayed all of the cushions, I removed them so I was able to vacuum underneath here. So if you have curtains that are not able to be put in the wash, I recommend this same spray and do a spot clean with it. I swear it works amazing. If you have a large area rug in the living room, I recommend rolling it and vacuuming underneath. It is so easy to just forget about this area. I know I do plenty of times. Next thing on the list is to spot clean any stains in the wall and any dirt and gunk that builds up in the crevices of the baseboards. I never realized how a door can get so grimy and dirty until I started doing deep cleaning, and let me tell you, it is so gross. All the dirt that accumulates around the house ends up getting stuck on those crevices. So once I was done deep cleaning my living room, it was time to focus on the outside and get it all deep cleaned as well. My husband was able to borrow this pressure washer so we can get the outside deep clean. The doors and the entryway, our sidewalk, our driveway, our patio, and all of our outside furniture desperately needed to get deep clean. Let me know in the comment section if you are already done with all of the deep cleaning in your house, or if you still have some rooms you need to work on. I know I still need to do one more video that includes fall deep cleaning, so if you are a little behind and need a little bit of inspiration, stay tuned for that video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload that video. And as always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye bye.